Hey guys, we got a snow Armageddon going here in Texas. We got about half an inch on the ground. What do you think? Looks pretty horrific, huh? What do you think, Heidi? You want to play? Huh? Okay. Okay. Good girl. Snow's really coming down hard now, guys. I don't know, visibility's probably down to 5 miles. Getting pretty bad. Got a major issue going on here. Snow covering the panels. I don't know. We're going to have to probably wait until at least 10 a.m. for this stuff to melt off. Major emergency. Good thing I got batteries. Then we got this issue. Possibly frozen eggs. No.